Hello everybody, this is DJ from AndroidMixer.com, and I'm here with the Wi-Fi retail version of the Samsung Galaxy Tab 10.1, and we're going to unbox it and take a quick look at the device. On the front of the box you'll notice there's a few icons: Google Music, Maps, Market, and of course the honeycomb logo. It's pretty much nothing on the sides of the box. Samsung's website and the company's logo. The rear of the box looks pretty cool. Some more information about the tablet itself. Okay, you guys should have had enough time to read that. Let's get the top off. And here we have the Galaxy Tab 10.1. Let's move it to the side for a second. See what else is in the box. Warranty information, user's manual, pair of headphones, USB cable with Samsung's 30-pin adapter, power outlet adapter, and since we're in the US, Samsung provides us with this version. Alright, let's get the wall plug out the way, get this other stuff out the way, get the tablet back over here. Okay, here we have the Galaxy Tab 10.1, 10.1 inch screen, has a 2 megapixel front facing camera, and here's one of the speakers. The rear of the device is all white minus the Android Army. 3 megapixel camera with flash, 3.5mm head jack. Over here we have another stereo speaker and Samsung's 30-pin port. And on the top, see if we can get a better look at these, the power button and the volume rocker. Let's start it up. Hopefully there's a little power in here. Samsung Galaxy Tab 10.1 splash screen, boot animation, and that should take us to the setup. We're gonna skip most of this stuff. Skip the Wi-Fi. Check yes to that. The date is already correct. And we're gonna skip the sign in for now. And here we have the home page of the Galaxy Tab 10.1. It's pretty much vanilla Android 3.1. I'm not sure, but I don't think this device has TouchWiz UX pre-installed. And there we have it. Android 3.1 model number is the same as the Google I/O limited edition. And there you have it. The Galaxy Tab 10.1 unboxing and hands-on. See you next time.